are effectively siphoning off all of your TQQQ gains to subsidize a losing hedge. Here's our tear sheet. This is what it looked like. The S&P dropped. We dropped along with it. It came back up again. We didn't come up as fast. And then more recently, things dropped and we got hit hard near the end. This would have lost a lot of money over the past week or two, which makes sense, but it makes me wonder why our put options are not helping us out. Why are we not getting that boost from our put options? Because I would have expected that to happen here. Okay, here's what the AI said. Based on the backtesting results and the strategy logic, here's the analysis of why the strategy lost money despite the market rally. Total return -5, max drawdown -23, Sharpe ratio -4. Why it lost money? The insurance trap. The primary culprit is a 7% fixed allocation of puts. Constant drag. You allocated 7% of the entire account to insurance puts. In a rising market, those puts constantly lost value due to time decay and the rising price. Forced selling of winners. Because the strategy is programmed to maintain that 7% target, every time the puts lost value, the bot sold. Interesting. So the bot sold profitable TQQQ shares to buy more puts. That makes sense. You are effectively siphoning off all of your TQQQ gains to subsidize a losing hedge. 7% is a very aggressive allocation for pure long puts. Usually 1 to 2% is standard for tail risk protection. That makes sense. Okay, so some solutions, it's saying. Switch to put spread, vertical spread. Worked by 15% out of the money put, but sell a further put, right? Or we could also just lower the allocation, right? Okay, let's do both of these options. Okay, and let's see if we can get this thing to actually work a little better. So we're going to make it so instead of just buying puts, we're buying a put spread. So it's going to make this cheaper for us to maintain. And then we're also going to reduce it from 7% to about 2 or 3%, which I think would make a lot of sense in both scenarios. Okay, so we're doing this change to our strategy, and let's see how this turns out.
So what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments. So I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.